Spa's cold.
Yeah, the spa is cold.
Really? You like it hot? Oh.
Yeah.
Welcome to the video. Can you stay lean and ripped and shredded as Natasha and myself eating ice cream every day? What sort of ice cream do we eat? And what's the deal with insulin, leptin, etc. I'm going to talk about carbohydrates in this video. I'm going to introduce you to a new vegan ice cream to hit Australian stores from Weiss. It's the coconut chocolate. It tastes beautiful. Alright, let's go check it out.
As much as I love the refreshing ocean,
Yeah.
it's just like magic.
It is. These are the Weiss chocolate and coconut bars. Give them at Coles. Coles Australia. Okay, so I've got a question. Can you get skinny? Can you stay skinny eating ice cream every day? Well, here's the thing is that weight loss is all determined by insulin resistance, insulin sensitivity. So if you've got insulin resistance from eating a lot of fat creates insulin resistance, then you're going to struggle to lose weight. Now what you want to do is you want to increase that insulin sensitivity by eating low-fat, high-carbohydrate things, and they will make you slim long-term. And if you do some insulin sensitivity increasing sports like cycling, cycling's #1 increasing insulin sensitivity, then you'll experience a decrease in fasting insulin, which will make you lose the weight. So can you eat ice cream every day to stay skinny? The answer is yes, if it's vegan ice cream without all the hormones, the dairy hormones, and if it's low fat. The lower the fat, the higher the sugar, the better it is for weight loss. And we have here Natasha as the live model giving us proof that a high-carb, low-fat vegan diet works perfectly.
Carbs, carb the fuck up, motherfuckers. Carb the fuck up. Corn, rice, potatoes, yams, bananas, mangoes, dates, plantains, melons, blueberries, blackberries, mulberries. Get them motherfucking carbohydrates in. Go vegan, motherfuckers. Carb the fuck up, the fuck up, the fuck up, the fuck up.